This balcony has a beautiful greenery view and a peaceful vibe, but it comes with the risk of rain splash and insects coming in. ZipGuide The New Expert were installed to improve comfort without blocking the view. It helps block rain splash and wind, and also keeps insects from coming in. At the patio, ZipGuide were also added to improve everyday use. Reduces harsh sunlight, keeps out dust and dirt, gives more privacy. Now, the balcony and patio feel more comfortable, more protected, and can be used anytime. ZipGuide The New Expert is engineered for Malaysia's harsh wind and rain with a structure that is truly windproof, safe, durable, beautiful, easy to use. Visit our showroom in Seri Kembangan and experience it yourself.